Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It is the month of December. Even though there's global warming going on, but it does get cold at times. 这个月呢，我们都要教一个12月份应该要冷的时候了啦。
那就要
好冷哦。
很冷哦。
很冷哦. That's so cold. All right, so let's put you in different scenarios right here. Like you're going to class, get up in the morning, it's so cold. Remember to put on more clothes, all right? 寒流来了，好冷哦。
寒流來了。
寒流來了。
很冷哦。
很冷哦。Okay, 寒流嘛，就是寒流。Okay, that's a cold front is here. It is so cold. 那怎么办？哇，我等一下要去上課耶，哈。
哇，捱等一下。
哇，捱等一下。
我去上課。
我去上課。
真的很不想出門。
對啊，聽起來你根本不想出去的感覺。
真的太冷了。
I love Alice's tone. We were teaching you how to say, oh no, I got to go to class a little bit later, but you can tell that she's reluctant to go out. 哇就是哇嘛哈，那等一下去上課，上課剛剛怎麼講？
上課。
上課。
海陸腔的上課，上課。
上課。Okay, that's a different dialect for saying going to class. And when someone goes out to the cold, you remind them to put some extra clothes on, right? 記得要多加件衣服哦。
記得多加一兩衫。
記得多加一兩衫。記得嘛？
記得。
Remember， 然後要加一點呢，一兩個是不是？
它就是要加一件，比方說多加一兩衫。
多加就是要加嘛。
對。一
兩感覺就是一個兩個啊，可是
其實你就是多加一件。
多加一件就對了。Okay， 一兩衫 even it sounds like one or two articles of clothing, but it just means put some extra clothes on. Hey Alice 再教我一次。
記得多加一兩衫。
All right. So it looks like we have a lot of vocabulary we can review right here. For instance, the cold front, 寒流啊。
寒流。
寒流. Okay, and then let's say you're going to class, 上課。
上課。
上課. And then to remember something is 記得。
記得。
記得. And 要記得什麼呢？要加件衣服，對不對？衣服怎麼說呢？
衫。
就衫. That's simply some clothing, right? All right, it's all about, it's so cold right now. 好冷哦。
很冷哦。
很冷哦。And remember, stay warm, put some extra clothing on, and that is for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太嘎。
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.